All right, so we have a cart. I'm gonna go ahead and just dump the contents real quick. All right, seems pretty durable. See what we got. Instructions. It says put it together. Done. All right, got some wheels. Pretty substantial, feels like. They are airless. They have ball bearings. It comes with its own wrench. There's the other one. Nice. So, this should be literally taking these bad boys off. That is a number 24 millimeter. That is no small nut. And the nut has a nylon piece to keep it in its area so it doesn't come loose. I'm just going to go ahead and tighten that up. So if you need a 22, 24 inch wrench, it comes with it. Back that off just a little bit so that it rolls a little bit freer. There we go. No wiggle. Go ahead and slip the wheel on. Slip the little plastic washers on that they give you, because you really don't need metal washers for this. Why not? Go ahead and tighten this up. And of course, this would even go faster if you had a 24 millimeter socket, which I do, but there's only 2 to do, and it's fairly quick, and they give you a good wrench to put this on with, so it's gonna be taking the time to go get it and set everything up. All right, there we go. Again, I back that off just a little bit more, let it be a little bit more free. There we go. All right, so then this goes up like that. This literally has pins in it that will self-set, so you just push these in. Make sure you line up your holes before you go any further, and you're in. That's it. That folds up. Easy to store. Literally was 2 nuts. It does come with some nice little straps to help hold things down too. So if you want to use those, I think that this will actually go down inside of itself also. Let's check that. I'm gonna head and pop these pins in. There we go. So now you can even store it even in a smaller location. So pretty cool. Don't know what the rating is. Got everything's welded. Everything's got substantial hardware on it. Everything's got captive nuts. I really like the idea that you can store this in smaller areas. So that's pretty slick. So if you're looking for a decent little hand cart that can fit in small areas, if you're a person who does handling or quick jobs like delivering boxes and stuff like that, this would be a great option for you. Or if you're just moving and you need something, it's usually a lot cheaper to just buy something like this than to rent it and then you have it forever. So check it out. All right, ready? Go ahead. I'm just gonna step down on my back piece there, lift that up, get both of those locked in and underneath the box. And if we wanted to, we could even use the strap that it came with as well. And if you want, you can even hold it by the handles back here. So if you want to really make sure that you have a hold of it, you can grab it with both hands, or you can just pull it around with just one. Very smooth, works really well. There you go. Down, and you can throw it in the back of your car.